Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple crusty chicken with garlic and thyme. I've got a few garlic cloves that I'm going to smash, fresh thyme, I've got lots of it growing in the garden, and it's perfect with chicken. Chicken stock, and a little bit of apple cider vinegar. These are boneless, skinless chicken thighs. As you can see, there's a little bit of fat on the thighs, which is fine. They've been washed. I'm going to dry them with some paper towels. To season the chicken, we'll need salt, ground black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. We'll also need some all-purpose flour to coat the chicken. We'll season the flour and season the chicken. To the flour, add some salt, ground black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Season the chicken with the same spices. Rub the seasoning into both sides of the chicken. I'll heat up the oil and dredge each piece of chicken in the flour mixture. You need enough oil to shallow fry the chicken. When the oil's hot, put each piece of chicken in. Coat the chicken really well in the seasoned flour so you get a nice crust. Even though this is such a simple recipe with a few ingredients, the crust is really what makes this chicken. Put the pieces one at a time in the hot oil. And it just fits. So that's 5 chicken thighs. Cook until golden brown and flip it over. Both sides have to be golden brown. I'm cooking this in a stainless steel pan. It's not non-stick, so it's best not to force the chicken off. When they don't stick to the pan is when they're ready to turn. If you're using a cast iron pan or a non-stick pan, you don't have to worry about the chicken sticking. But you definitely want to give the chicken enough time to form a golden brown crust. You can see it's golden but not golden brown, so give it another 2 minutes. That's the color you're looking for. It'll take about 5 minutes on each side. Put the garlic cloves in. Take some of the leaves off and leave the rest whole. Pour in some chicken stock. Bring it to a boil. Put a cover on. Leave it on medium-low and cook until the chicken is tender. This is after 10 minutes. Add a little bit of apple cider vinegar in the middle of the pan, close the lid, and just shake the chicken around. It gives the dish a little bit of acidity to cut the fat. And it's that simple. This chicken is perfect with mashed potatoes. The crust is so flavorful and the chicken is juicy. You also get little bits of crispy chicken. As always, I hope you like this recipe and give it a try. If you want to get notifications of when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. And don't forget to turn on your notifications. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.